Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up or disable the face unlock on Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. To do it, go to the settings first, then go to the accounts and now find sign in options. And I currently don't have the facial recognition set, so I can just click on Setup. Then click on Get Started and position your face in front of the camera and look directly into the camera for a few seconds until it goes to the next screen. First, before that, I also need to enter my PIN. And now it's set, so I can close it. You can also improve recognition by setting up it, you'll just, after clicking on improve recognition, you'll set it up again, and that will improve the accuracy. And now I'm gonna show you, you can also remove this sign-in method by clicking on remove later. And as I click on Windows and L on my keyboard in order to lock the screen, now I can unlock it with face. But first I need to change the sign-in option, and once I change it, it will stay like that. So it will be, if I change it to face now, it will always try to unlock with face first. Just look at the camera and you can see it's unlocked. If I lock it again, then it'll immediately start unlocking with the face. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.